Nigerian government files new 6-count cyberbullying charge against Senator Natasha. I don't know how this issue between Natasha and Akpabio became Nigerian government. It is one person that she has issues with. It is Akpabio. People should write Akpabio. Now they've turned it to Nigerian government. Look be small thing. Hey God. The Nigerian government has filed a 6-count charge bordering on cyberbullying and defamation against Senator Natasha at the Federal High Court in Abuja. The charges stemmed from alleged defamatory remarks made by the senator against Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. So why are you writing Nigerian government? Why? Why? According to the charge sheet, our reporters obtained on Monday marked charge number FAC/ABJ/CR/195/25 between Federal Republic of Nigeria as complainant and Senator Natasha H. Akpotso-Oduaghan as defendant. The embattled senator is accused of intentionally transmitting false information via computer systems and network which could harm the reputation of Akpabio and Bello. The alleged remarks were made during a public address on April 1, 2025, and a live studio interview on Channels TV on April 3, 2025. According to the charge sheet, the senator allegedly claimed that Akpabio and Bello discussed plans to eliminate her, with Akpabio purportedly instructing Bello to ensure her killing took place in Kogi State to make it appear like a local incident. The charges against Akpotso-Oduaghan include cyber stalking, defamation and causing a breakdown of law and order. If convicted, she could face penalties under the Cyber Crimes Prohibition Prevention Amendment Act 2024. The federal government had in May filed a 3-count criminal charge against Senator Natasha Akpotso-Oduaghan for allegedly defaming Senate President Godswill Akpabio and former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. The charge is brought through the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice are contained in suit number CR/1277/25 and are pending before Justice C.N. Orji at the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. Filed by the Department of Public Prosecution on behalf of the Attorney General, the suit accuses Senator Akpotso-Oduaghan of making statements intended to harm reputation in violation of Section 391 of the Penal Code Law and punishable under Section 392. The first count focuses on an interview the senator granted on Channels Television political program Politics Today on April 3, 2025, where she alleged that Senate President Akpabio in concert with Yahaya Bello plotted to assassinate her. Meanwhile, in the 6-count charge bordering on cyber stalking filed by Abubakar Mohammed Babadoko, a director in the Department of Public Prosecutions on behalf of the Attorney General, Akpotso-Oduaghan is accused of making statements that could harm the reputation of Akpabio and Bello. The case has sparked widespread interest, given the high-profile nature of the parties involved. The outcome will be closely watched, particularly in light of ongoing debates about free speech and the limits of political discourse in Nigeria. Human rights lawyer Femi Falana has criticized the charges, describing them as unconstitutional and a violation of Akpotso-Oduaghan's rights to freedom of expression. Attempt to criminalize criticism of public office holders is not only outdated but unlawful under Nigeria's democratic framework, Falana said. Falana further argued that public office holders should seek redress through civil libel actions rather than resorting to criminal charges, stressing that such legal measures undermine democratic freedom and stifle open discourse. Those in public office should not be intolerant of criticism. Where a writer exceeds the bound, there should be a resort to the law of libel where the plaintiff must of necessity put his character and reputation in issue, he said. Akpotso-Oduaghan's led counsel, Idahosa Hassan, has expressed readiness to defend her in court, describing her as a law-abiding citizen. Our client is a law-abiding citizen. Why wouldn't she be there? It is a summon we have undertaken, Idahosa said. The 6-count charge dated May 21. Okay, it's so much. I will not be able to read the 6-count charges. Okay, so let's go to the comment section. What's this one saying? At Ezio Column says, how did she cyberbully Nigeria beg? I wonder. She cyberbully Nigeria. Oh, against it. It is well. Someone should explain to me, because the last I checked, she only had a case with Akpabio. Thank you. Thank you. Now she's having case with the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No be small thing. How is she bullying Nigeria? Help me ask. Oh. Oluwarankin says Bello and Akpabio have big cases, but it's swept under the carpet. You can imagine. You can imagine now, people that are stealing billions of naira. But it is somebody that is calling out somebody for harassing her, that they are trying to fight against and ridicule her. Blazing says, why government they drink Panadol for Yaya Bello and Akpabio matter? I wonder. They just want to use power. Says where? Saliu says, Nigerian government no dey shame. Only one woman fa. Can you imagine? Only the whole of Nigerian government against one person. It is where. Usman Aladi says, even 100 court charge, they will still fail. Bello and his Akpabio. Amen. No. James Fidel says, no worry, we dey wait. The foul go fall. Now, us join board. Natasha join obedience. Make we help you settle this matter. Very funny. Blessing Daken says, it's obvious this woman is mightier than her enemies. Because if not, why is the Nigerian government putting their mouth in Akpabio and Natasha's issue? Like how? How did it become a federal government thing? How? As you say, is it now between Nigerian government and Natasha? I thought it was between Akpabio and Natasha. Nigerian government. BOD. It be small thing. It is well. Natasha says, why joining a picture with our future president? Kuma, the white lion of Kogi, is your future president. God forbid battle that Yaya Bello will be our president. Morua says, what is Latifa Demi FJ's interest in this matter? I wonder. Are they trying to protect Akpabio? Obviously. Obviously now. Dada Clement says, shameless country. They don't know what next. They don't know at all. Ume Isiaka says, see them fighting for 2027. Same time court charge for Natasha. What a country called Nigeria. It is well. David Kasim says, so it is now Nigeria government and not Akpabio that is fighting Natasha. Kai! It is well. Nigerian Innocence says, Edu is shameless. They are now the ones fighting for Akpabio and Yaya Bello. Can you imagine? No? And where there are other things that they should focus on, they are fighting for Akpabio and Yaya Bello. That is not even a governor again. He's not a governor, he's not a senator. And they are fighting for him. Oh, wahala. And this is over to give your thought. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.